you. Speaking of story, I'd like to acknowledge our creative manager, Joel Mercado. Joel is here.
Yes, happy birthday, Joel Mercado.
And of course, our head writer, Genesis Rodriguez. There he is,
Yes.
si Joel.
Kuya Joel, grabe ka.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday pala.
Correct, last weekend. Okay, I think we're...
Aaron, sinong next?
Yes, we have a question from Bon Bellinario of,
Of
TV5
TV5.
and
Correct.
One News P.
Everyone's excited na magtanungan. Go ahead, Avon.
Hi, Kuya PJ. Congratulations. Grabe yung episode kanina. This is your comeback sa teleserye after so many years. Siyempre, iba yung acting sa TV, sa teleserye. May challenge ba? Nangapa ka ba during the first few days ng shoot? How did you handle those pangangapa period?
All right, so I'll take you back a year ago when I was doing Ibarra stage yun. And then I switched to, before that I was doing The Ride, and then I went to Ibarra stage, and then I went to Netflix for Chef Chico, and then I went to Malyari. So these are all different stories, these are all different characters, but when this was pitched to me, it's like coming home to my forte, my genre, which is rom-com, soap. So sabi ko, wow, ang sarap ng pakaramdam na after all these years, you still get offers na alam mong pwedeng bigyan mo ng magandang buhay at magandang take. So yun lang naman yung sa akin. I'm just really happy to be back here doing the thing that I love the most, which is acting. Sobrang challenge. Kasi syempre iba ang acting ng TV. So I would tell my director, I would tell my co-actors, even Mylene, sabi ko, I'm gonna take it to this level because this is a big scene, this and that. Unlike with the script for a film, may journey kang sinusundan. Pero ito kasi, as you go along, it's slow burn eh. So ikaw mismo gagawa ng graph ng character mo. So TV discipline is different. And you tend to have to kind of, modify in such a way na magka-complement sa mga succeeding scenes. I think that's the challenge of it because we're doing like 4 months, 4 cycles, and syempre, ganun ka, talon-talon ka, we work on 3 scripts at a time. So kailangan sigurado ka doon sa pupuntahan ng character mo, yung limitation, yung parameters niya. So that's the challenge of it.
Of course, congratulations po from winning the FAMAS recently. Ngayon, after you won that Best Actor sa FAMAS, and ito ipapalabas nga itong Pamilya Sagrado, does it add pressure on your part na, nako, iba yung dikit na dikit yung pagkakapanalo ko sa FAMAS, and then may urian pa in the coming days?
Sa edad kong to, hindi na ako nagpapadala sa pressure. Basta may trabaho at may kinakain tayo, okay na. I mean, kung ano man yung dumating sa atin. I entrust my career to ABS. I know hindi naman nila ako papabayaan, so hindi naman tayo kailangan mangamba because we're in good hands. And also, dito sa soap kasi, hindi naman, it's not to say na anak ko sila pareho. Kyle has a different backstory. So it's just really, I'm helping him out, get a life, get a career, and I tapped him to be a friend of my son. Yun yung day 3 niya. So hindi ko talaga siya anak.
Last on my part po, ano yung gusto nyong iwang social impact nung story for the audience?
Yung ginawa ko, yung in-interview ko for the promo na lumalabas ngayon sa social media, ito yung magandang pagtuunan ng pansin because for us audience, may choice tayo sa mga nakikita natin, sa mga choices na ginagawa natin sa buhay. Kaya maraming characters dito sa story na to, ang dami mong kapupulutan ng aral, ang dami mong pwedeng puntahan for your character na makaka-relate ka. And this is what we are gonna give, the choices we have in life, and kung ano yung outcome ng choices mo, kung ano yung magiging resulta sa ginawa mo. So yun ay pinapakita, and mirror natin yung society.
Thank you, Kuya.
Thanks,
Congratulations.
Bon. Before I give the microphone kay Miss Kate Adahar, Papa P kasi from day 1, it was Lawrence Fajardo na kinonsider talaga ni Sir Deo, nila Miss Kylie, and the management. Wala kasi akong idea, yung works niya, ayun. Paano mo nalaman na napakahusay pala talaga
Gusto
yung
nila
director?
ng lalaking director. Gusto nila yung action. Kasi, it's obviously,
na-achieve
male-centric.
ha? Ibang mata.
Pagpasok pa lang niya, of course, syempre, ABS tayo, meron na tayong template. Pero si Direk Lau, really, kind of, not naman, he wasn't stubborn. He of course, was a team player. But yun yung signature niya. I think that's the reason why we got him for it.
Medyo may pagka-stubborn.
Hindi. I mean, for you as a director, hindi ka pwedeng maging dummy lang eh. Kailangan ipakita mo. The reason why we get you is because we want to see how you are as a director and what you can bring to
ganun
the
siya.
table. And Direk Lau really stood, he has his own Ronin. May sarili siyang camera. And ang ganda ng mga shots minsan sa
Totoo.
mismo gumagawa. We were all amazed. We were all impressed.
Nakita ko yung
Since
reaction mo kanina.
Bro,
You
kahit
were-
na-intimidate siya, he brought his A-game. Ibang klase. Hindi siya nagpa-intimidate, kumbaga. Ang galing. Even Direk Andoy, you have to commend Direk Andoy kasi he also adjusted kay Direk Lau. But at the same time, iba yung binigay ni Direk Andoy dito. Silang dalawa.
Nagkapareho na nga yung
Yes.
look halos
Yes.
na nagsabay na, no? Okay, thank you, Papa P. The microphone, I'll give the microphone to Kate Adahar for her set of questions. Hi, Miss Kate.
Hi, thank you. Hi, Papa P. Congrats. My question is, nabanggit na rin lang si Inigo kanina. As a father, kamusta yung parenting? Are you as strict as your character? Halimbawa, gusto niya rin mag-high-risk sport.
Oh, wow, that's a good question. Growing up kasi, he didn't naman grow up with me. He grew up with his mom. So he would just come to me occasionally. Or pag wala akong trabaho, I'd come to him, especially when he went to the States. Nadadalo ko siya once or twice a year. So wala kami masyadong physical relationship or contact. But now that he's already almost 30, he's 26, turning 27, he was like texting me the other day, Pa, I want to do this business. Who can I partner up with? How do I start my business?
Wow.
Who should I contact for Taylor, this and that? I'm like, son, that's adulting. Because sige, gather it all, write it down, and then we discuss it when I see you next month. So nandun na siya sa puntong yun. But growing up, how I was as a father, hindi naman ako tolerant, pero I'm the cool dad. I've always been the cool dad because I never had a chance to live with him. So always, when kami magkasama, I make it appear as if, it's the last day of the world. But now that he's become an adult, mas maraming may oras na nagtutour ako. And then he comes to my tour during break, magkikita kami, and then we just spend father and son time together. And that's the best feeling. So me as a father, yeah, I'm a cool dad. I'm a friend. I can be a friend, yeah.
Thank you. And for my second question, nabanggit na rin yung chemistry mo with Miss Mylene. Kasi nakita namin yung post niya, like sinusundo niyo sila ni Kyle.
Yeah, kasi
May pa-abs.
kakatabi yung roofs
Kumusta
namin.
yung mga bonding moments?
Para kami high school, nagkikita-kita kami. Meron kami monthly reunion sa bahay niya sa West Grove. Si Dominic, si Enchong, si Bianca Umali, si Kyle, ako, yan si Mylene. So we're trying to gather some more people. Yun nga na, because of what we had started sa Pamilya Sagrado, nag-carry over siya dito sa labas na, we've been friends since the 90s. So, even Dominic Ochoa, na wala sa show, nakakasama namin lagi. And we were just together last week. So, ang sarap ng gano'n, may bonding kayo outside the work.
Peach, follow-up ko dun sa intimidating. Kasi intimidating talaga ang cast. May say ka in choosing Rosana, Aiko, Shaina, John Arcilia, Tirso Cruz.
In
Sa
all
cast-
honesty,
Oo.
wala.
Hindi ka,
Yeah.
never ka nag-record.
I would, if I could, if I want to, pero naniniwala ako sa casting ng Dreamscape
Ang
tsaka
lala,
ABS,
ang laki.
Sobra, di ba?
I know.
So, bagay pa magre-reco, kaya na nila yan, mabibigay ka mas maganda pa. When this was pitched to me, all the names na first choice, lahat yun umoo.
Tapos Joel Torre.
Yeah, Tito JT. Si Tito JT, yung first nag-story ko kami, palagay Joel Torre, pero hindi pa siya approved.
Correct,
hindi pa siya
correct.
nag-confirm, di ba? Pero si Tito Chupip, si John Arcilia, si Aiko, si Mylene, everyone said yes right away.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yung Aiko nga, ipaakit pa lang ng stair, ng hagdan, di ba, kanina? Doon sa
Iba yung
eksena.
Aiko.
Iba na yung impact niya, di
At
ba?
saka si Aiko, tamang excited sa pagbabalik sa ABS-CBN, ano?
Right.
Kinareer.
Right.
Alright.
Talagang powerhouse.
Of course.
Powerhouse.
I understand si Chad Rosete
Yes.
has set of questions.
Chad of the Manila Feed.
Oo.
Congratulations, Papa P.
Patayin
Ayan.
tayo
So for
tayo,
my-
Chad. Our dear cameraman would like to request that you stand
Okay,
up.
so first, congratulations kasi para kaming nanonood ng movie kanina.
Diba?
Sobrang-
Yo,
parang bawal kang
yun ang
mag-break.
comment mo, di ba,
Oo,
Chad,
parang-
kanina?
Dapat, parang di ka pwedeng tumayo. Parang ganun.
Sa yung
So,
texture na pinansin nyo, Bix,
True.
di ba? Pinansin nyo
Correct.
kanina.
Parang
Yung camera,
K-drama,
parang
parang
iba, di ba?
Correct. Very cinematic. So, for my first question, since yun nga na-mention kanina, bigatin yung mga stars dito. Parang seeing you sa isang frame, si Aiko, yung pag-akyat niya, tapos nando si Tirso, John Arcilia, may Mylene Dizon pa. Sa ganitong phase ba ng career mo, parang may kaba ka pa rin ba? Or
Oh
parang
yeah, I
may
wanted to
tension?
address that. I'm sorry. That was asked. Dinadaga ako sa mga eksena, syempre.
Di nga.
Oo naman. Alam mo, that's one thing good about our craft. As long as you feel that you are always a student, there's always something that you can learn from what you are doing. And that's what I feel with doing this show. Yung takot ko, yung kaba ko, yung nervous ko doing a scene, I pray. Yung minsan lumalabas yung kabog ng dibdib ko sa dibdib ko and I have fun doing it. After the scene, I'm like, sarap. Diba? Yun naman yun eh. That's the exciting part of it. When you act out of passion, tapos hindi mo alam magiging outcome. And then, seeing it kanina, I had to control myself many times because sabi ko, na-overwhelm ako, diba? So, yun. Kinakabahan pa rin po talaga ako. Lagi. Lalo na pag mahiling ka eksena mo, walang tapo na reaction. Galing.
Kanina parang ini-establish pa lang yung mabait mo na character. So parang mas lalo tuloy kami nagki-crave doon sa masama na side ni Piolo. No?
Oo nga
Or
eh.
ni
Saya, no?
Rafael, no? So parang paano naging challenging sa'yo yung mga eksena? Yun, lalo na yung pag-switch mo from
Wala
parang
pa
bida
eh.
kontra bida.
Yeah, wala pang switch na mangyayari dyan. Yung nakita yung last frame when I said, mamamatay tao na ba pamilya natin? That's the pivotal point for his character. And I had to, wow. When we were doing the scene, I had to stop many times because I was getting so overwhelmed by emotion. So yun, it doesn't happen overnight. We want to make him as real as possible para hindi siya caricature. Pagdadaanan niya yung lahat ng sakit at ginhawa sa buhay.
Since ito ay pamilya, aasahan ba namin sa mga susunod pang mga episode, may mga papasok na mga bagong character?
Marami. Daming budget ng ABS. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi, marami.
Tulad
Marami.
nino, charot.
Oo, wag natin ibigay
Nakikita
lahat.
na namin eh. May
Yes,
Bella
Joko.
Padilla.
Yeah,
Nakita
Jezebela.
ko. Oh.
Di ba? Ang dami pang papasok. Kaya nakakataba ng puso for ABS to really prioritize and give credit to the cast and the story na alam mong, wow naman talaga, you know. So, yun lang po talaga yung ipagmamalaki natin na gumagawa tayo ng isang bagay na hindi natin kino-compromise yung storya at saka yung casting.
And last question na lang. For the two na lead actors, si Gray at saka si Kyle, going back doon sa, nung ikaw nasa stage nila, ano yung nakikita mo sa kanila as
Nakita
the
ko
next
yung
leading
kanina.
man ng ABS-CBN?
Nakita ko yung sarili ko sa kanila kanina.
3 decades ago.
Sakit ba? Totoo kasi.
Hindi naman.
329, 2 lang naman.
Parang 2.5.
Actually, 3. Oh no.
Diba?
Yan.
Alam ko yung
Patay.
journey mo, Lo.
There were scenes na biglang papasok si Kyle. Parang sabi ko, ginawa ko yan dati. There are scenes papasok si Craig. Ganyan din yung, alam mo, wow, nakakatawa silang panoorin. And there's so much in store for these guys. Their commitment to their craft. I think it would not have worked if they were not committed enough. Or if they were not open enough to say na, I have so much to learn. Lahat ng reaction na binigay nila, halfway through, sila na yun. Wala nang instruction ng director. So you can see that really, they can deliver. At marami pa mapupuntahan yung dalawa.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank
you.
Chad.
Thanks, Chad.
Grabe yung energy ni Lolo, no? Ni Piolo, no?
Wait, the show was completely shot in Baguio?
Most of it, like probably more than half. We're not done yet, but we're still going back to Baguio this weekend for the 3rd cycle. So we've been there. Yeah.
Okay. At tama yung sinabi mo, Kuya EJ. Kasi kanina habang sumasagot si Piolo ng mga tanong, pinag-obserbahan ko lang
Iba,
siya.
no?
Iba yung spirit niya now. Kasi if I can share lang, 2 years ago when I was interviewing you for Flower of Evil, parang nga sa mata mo, parang uncertain ka pa na parang tuloy-tuloy ba to? Will I really do a comeback? As they call it. Parang idedire-diretso ko na ba tong pagbabalik ko sa TV or movies? Pero iba yung
Because
ngayon.
I said that's it, right? I was quitting soap, no?
Yeah.
Wala eh. Sucker tayo for good stories, tsaka mukhang pera. I mean, gusto ko lang nagtatrabaho, gusto ko lang may ginagawa. Tsaka paano ka makakahindi
Pamilya
sa isang
sagrado
ganitong-
ka nga talaga.
Di
Sa
ba,
character
mukhang
ka talaga.
Iba.
Sabi kasi ni Tito Dayo nung pinitsa sa akin, so Tito Dayo, ilang episodes to? 100. Sige, let's go!
Wow.
Let's go!
Okay, next question.
Yes, we have our next set of questions will come from Richard Paglikawan of Lionheart.
The
TV.
Lionheart guy! We all love
Hello.
Lionheart.
I follow you guys.
Hi, Papa P. Good afternoon. So, yung question ko kasi, parang naging trend sa, kahit sa Hollywood, na parang yung mga meeting ni idols, gumagawa ng mga roles na mga kontrabida. Pero later on, parang nagiging fear ng mga viewers na parang sila yung ina-idolize na kahit negative yung kanilang portrayal ng character. So, ikaw ba, Papa P, as an actor, may reservations ka ba dun sa paggawa ng role na to? And may fear ka ba na i-idolize din yung character mo? And paano mo i-handle yun?
Well, thanks for that. Actually, that's the reason why I said the same answer a while ago. There has to be redemption for the character. He can't be bad all the way. That's why I'm excited for the journey of my character because he starts out bad, but through the journey of his story, he's gonna turn into good. So it has to have redemption. If there's no hope, then let's do not do it. That's my mantra in life. If I'm not gonna learn anything from your film, from your story, which would make me a better person, a good person to say the least, I won't do it. I won't even watch it. I won't recommend it. That's why all my films, mamatay man ako in the end, there's redemption for the story or the character. But it has to end on a good note. Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks, Papa P. Ito na lang. Ikaw ba personally, may mga gusto kang, or may mga nakita kami na ikaw mismo yung nag-suggest na gawin?
Mabait naman yung mga director ko tsaka yung mga writers na, you know, when we have suggestion or pag nagko-collab kami and how you gonna take it. Si Direk Lau, bibigyan ko ganito. Tapos sabi niya, Peach, parang mali. Parang gawin mo ito. Oo nga, okay, Direk. Tapos si Direk Andoy, sabi niya, okay, di ba tama? Pag hindi ko nagagawa, sabi niya, okay, gawin mo ulit. Ganun. So, as long as you're good with collaboration, you're open, I mean, we suggest and they also suggest and there's always room and space for talks and, you know, as to how we can attack a scene. So I think I've reached that point in my career wherein my director would talk to me and discuss with me how they want to do it because of course, ang dami na nagawa mo. You want to be able to diversify and make sure na hindi pare-pareho. So I always listen to my director and whatever I can suggest, pag-uusapan.
Thanks, Papa.
Thank you.
Iba talaga to.
Thank you, Richard.
MJ, may babasahin ako.
May mga tanong ako dapat kay PJ, kaso lang...
I understand she's watching right now. Si the head of integrated marketing, Miss Cookie Bartolome.
Cookie Bar!
Miss Cooks! Sabi niya, I just finished previewing Pamilya Sagrado. Sobrang gripping at ang galing ng storytelling. Every character, especially Piolo, very intriguing and interesting. I can't wait to watch the other episodes and see how the story unfolds. That's Miss Cookie, the head of entertainment, integrated marketing.
Yes.
Galing. Thank you, Miss
Cooks.
Cookie.
Miss you.
All right. MJ tuloy. Aaron.
Our next set of questions will come from Nas Tabares. Of
Si Nas ba yung maganda ba? Or
Pelikula Mania.
Cinema Bravo?
Pelikula Main.
Pelikula Mania. Sorry.
Hello. Dagdag
Wala akong tumama doon Kakaloka.
Dagdag lang doon sa
Si
question
Jonel
ni
pala eh.
Chad earlier. How comfortable are you doing yung mga masasamang bagay?
Sobra naman. Artista ka, dapat open ka to things. Hindi lang yung mga good things. Ako
Does
kaya
it feel
nag-enjoy.
liberating in a way? Na
Definitely. Definitely. When I did Malyari, sabi ng director ko, make sure, kuya, after this, magpagpag ka. After nung shooting namin, diretso ko sa stage, nagko-concert ako eh. Yun yung pagpag ko. So, dito, I enjoy being a character because hindi naman po siya nagbubuhat ng bangko. Mabait akong tao eh. Hindi ako palaaway. So, pag gumagawa ko ng mga ganitong character, nai-enjoy ko talaga siya yung pagmumura, tapos nagagalit ka, nagsisisig ako, nagwawala ka. Hindi ko kasi ginagawa sa totoong buhay. So, I have fun doing it. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Santo kasi ako. Sabi ko, hindi, joke lang. Joke lang po. Hindi, kasi hindi talaga ako yung... Nature ko ba, hindi ako palaaway. Sabi ko, pag nagalit ako talaga, pipigilin ko yung sarili ko kasi alam ko yung kaya kong gawin, di ba? So, I'd rather not. So, pag gumagawa ko ng mga istorya, character na ganito kasama, wow, let's go!
ano rin yung mga issues and mga themes sa Pamilya Sagrado na sa tingin mo importanteng mapanood ng mga manonood ngayon?
Lahat. From the hazing. I mean, this is a brave concept to begin with. Watching hazing, we've always wanted to do this. And now we have it. And lahat ng complexities na pagdadaanan, hindi lang ng politika at pamilya at ng society, itatakel ng Pamilya Sagrado.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nas. Aren't you worried na baka may matamaan?
Ganun talaga ang storytelling. Kung matatamaan ka, guilty ka.
While this is fictional,
It is fiction. That's the end of the day.
Right.
At the end of the day, kung sa tingin mong pinatatamaan ka, I'm sorry, but this is pure fiction.
there you go.
Okay. Before... May second part tayo, di ba? Pero may isa pang solo question for Papa P. Si Miss Anne, ang news, gusto magtanong.
Ana Cerezo.
Oo,
ang
ang
aking kasamahan sa
pretty-pretty.
news.
I know.
Hi.
Hi. Since, by the way, congratulations. Ang
Thank
ganda.
you.
How would you address lang din, since issue talaga yung hazing, fraternities, how will this also be addressed dito sa storytelling wise?
It's being brought to light. I mean, what really happens. I mean, of course, as fiction as it may seem, there are also truths to what happened during the hazing. And, as a storyteller, that's what we want to show for people to see and be aware of what really happens during fraternity hazing.
Thank you.
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Ang sweet ng Ana, isa lang question.
I know!
Tsaka isang ganun ka lang.
Oo.
Baka kung saan mapunta eh.
Our gentlemen here, friends here, andito, may questions kayo.
Thank you, Ana.
Si
Partner, we have a question from
Ken Quinto.
Ken Quinto of
Wow.
Kapamilya Kingdom.
Pamilya
Hello po.
Kapamilya Kingdom.
Nakanakaban ako si Papa Peter.
At
Sige,
first
sige,
time mo
sige.
nagtanong.
O kaya nga. Sige,
Ever.
tol.
Papa P, dalawa lang yung questions ko. Yung una, sa set ba, kay Gray and kay Kyle, ano ka doon? More on ano ka ba? Kaibigan, father, or kuya?
Ang cute. Nice.
Si Kyle, katropa ko talaga. Nagwo-workout kami every day. Tumatakbo kami. Kasabay ko sa set. So siya talaga yung naging, because we did the ride last year. May isa kaming pelikula ginawa a year ago na sobra kami naging close because since after that, sabay na kami nag-workout pati sa Baguio. Sabay kami ng program. Si Gray, the thing about Gray, ang sarap, ang hirap niyang basagin at first because he was very timid and of course trying to find his weight dun sa istorya. But once he started warming up, iba rin yung binigay ng bata. Takot kasi siya sa akin eh. And I played up with that at first. So as much as we tried to reach out to each other, we had to make sure that we are living within the boundaries of our characters.
Maganda.
Para mas makatulong. Mas close to doing method, pero hindi naman kami masama sa isa't isa. It's just that he played it in an intimidated way para makatulong sa kanya. And then after that cycle, wala, tropa ko na rin. Ganun.
Tapos second question ko, Papa P. Kasi yung mga katrabaho mo dito, talagang mga batikang artista, and ikaw isa ka rin dun sa mga yon. Meron ka pa bang na-learn sa kanila, natututunan?
Miski naman sa mga bata eh. Kaya nga, di ba,
Sa
if you're
kanila
a
rin,
student, if you're a lifetime student of acting, kahit sinong ka-eksena mo, may matututunan ka. Kahit magaling ano, hindi magaling. Because pag may binigay na natural yon, mas makakapulutan mo ng lesson yon. Or, ang sarap kasi when you're drawing from your emotion, na alam mong yung respeto ng isang tao sa craft niya brings out the best in him. So doon, mga ganun yung tinitignan ko and I learned from that. I try to do that myself as well.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Ken.